the total cost of this truck that we have in it from the time we bought it to sitting right here as you see it is What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road in the beautiful 1G3 gray color that we love absolutely so much. This truck could possibly be on its way to a new buyer. We didn't want to let it get away because we do like to keep this channel 100% real. So we wanted to let y'all know the 100% total cost, the total investment that we had in this truck. We really wasn't planning on selling it so quick. We had somebody hit us up and they really want it. They want it really bad. So we're kind of having to jump through hoops to get it. We're gonna head out and get the title here in just a second. Meet up with them at the bank. Maybe they're gonna take it. I think that they are, but we wanted to let you know the purchase price of this truck. I did write it down. I hope you don't mind. Purchase price at the auction, the highest bid was $10,600, which we thought was an absolute phenomenal deal. Then Copart tacked on their fees, the broker tacked on their fees, and that was $1,673, which still was not too bad. Then we paid $450 to get this truck shipped to us, which made a grand total of $12,723 in this truck when it unloaded. So let's hop in the truck, let's go down the road. We'll touch base with you again here in just a few minutes and give you the price on the parts and the total price. So let's hop in the truck and let's go to town. Alrighty guys, we have been riding around. Our plans got changed just a little bit because we went to meet them at the bank, and you know what? The bank was closed. So we decided to get this truck out here, bring it up here on the mountain, just to, just to test the four-wheel drive out just a little bit one last time. Wanted to give y'all just a little bit more of the price breakdown because you're not gonna believe this. I did have to write it down because our parts bill on this truck was pretty high. A grand total in parts, I could break it down for you. If you want me to, leave it in the comments. I certainly don't mind to break it down. But the grand total on parts was $4,070. That is right, $4,070 in parts. And we did buy the parts cheap as we could find them. We even went to Asheville, North Carolina to get some of these parts. We took our axle to Hudlow and got it repaired. We did the best that we could do to keep this truck economical. We got a door that we bought used that came in from Gainesville, Georgia. So we bought the best parts that we could get for the cheapest price that we could get. And we still had $4,070 in this truck in parts, which is a lot. So if you add that up, we had $12,723 plus $4,070 makes $16,793. And that's in parts, truck, fees, and transportation. We got a few more expenses, so let's go on down here. I want to show y'all the mountain, and we'll get you some more prices. Alrighty guys, we're up here on top of the mountain. It's absolutely a beautiful day, a beautiful sunshine, a little bit chilly today. We brought the truck up here. We do want to give you the rest of the price. I did say that the parts bill was $4,070, which was a lot. But then we kind of got to thinking about it, and we kind of got to talking about it. If you think about the used methods that we bought, we really got a really good deal, because these methods are $2,000 all day long, you know, real close to it anyway. So we got 5 of these wheels, and then we got the tires. So we think we got a great deal. And I would like to mention that this truck did already have the Pro Comp lift installed. So when we got it, it already had the Pro Comp. The front has coilovers. We swapped out the rear springs because one of them was bent, but we replaced the rear springs, but the front coilovers are Pro Comp. So $4,070 is just not bad. Like everybody else in America, we do pay taxes and we pay our fair share. And for taxes and title and tag for this truck, rounded it up just a little bit, it was $900. So if you add that up, the total cost of this truck that we have in it from the time we bought it to sitting right here as you see it is $17,693, which is a good bit. You know, not gonna lie, that's a good bit. But before we got ready to sell this truck, we had somebody that wanted to buy it, and we really just want to sell it so that we can buy something awesome to rebuild on the channel that y'all might love. So that's why we do it. We have to sell it. We can't keep every single one. We wish we could, but we just can't. We're going to buy something awesome for the channel with the money that we get. So hopefully we'll sell this thing. We're supposed to meet up with them tomorrow when the bank is open. So this could possibly be the last time that we get to see this truck together. It may be out to the new owner, and that's 100% okay, because you know us and you know that we will buy something else at the auction. It may be another one of these. It may be something different. You just never know. We never know when we start clicking the button. Who knows what we'll buy? But if you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.